कोई नहीं जाएगा वहाँ। इसी तरह का स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ, सर छोड़ देना। यहाँ से एक बंदा नहीं जाना चाहिए यार, मेरे पास आए नहीं यार, और अगर गया ना तो उसका सर फुटा होना चाहिए किसी का।
Karnal SDM's smash heads diktat to cops. Raise an order that led to a brutal lathi charge. Farm leaders gun for Khattar's officer.
इस तरह की विचारधारा आरएसएस ने उनके दिमाग में घुसा दी है, जिसकी मानसिकता ये है कि किसान जो यहाँ पे हैं, अधिकारी होने के बाद में ऑर्डर दे रहा है पुलिस वालों को कि सिर फुटे बगैर एक भी आदमी नहीं जाना चाहिए, लेकिन इंटेंशन सिर को फोड़ा गया।
Haryana Deputy Chief Minister versus the Chief Minister over punitive action. Stage set for fresh drama in Haryana. Karnal's brutal lathi charge top focus on To The Point this evening.
So at the back of what you saw, four things have happened, viewers. Number one, the SDM in question, Mr. Sinha, has come out and said, okay, I used the wrong language, but action was needed. He did apologize for the choice of words. Number two, the Chief Minister of Haryana, M.L. Khattar, today held a press conference. He says choice of words with the SDM was wrong, but the action was justified. In midst of it all, his deputy, Dushyant Chautala, says it was unethical what he said and action needs to be taken against the SDM. Number four, the farmers of Haryana have now banded and they've said nothing doing. The SDM needs to step down. It's all here.
August 26th. Farmers mark 9 months of the farm agitation. August 28th. Farmers escalate protest in Karnal in Haryana. Members of different farm unions assembled at the Bastara Toll Plaza on NH44 near Karnal, violating section 144. The police asked them to disperse.
सभी से निवेदन है, कृपया डिस्पर्स करें, ये आखिरी चेतावनी है।
The farmers dig in their heels. What followed was this. Haryana police brutally lathi-charged farmers in an attempt to disperse them, leaving several farmers injured. But let's rewind to what happened minutes before the pandemonium. The man on your screens instructing the cops is Karnal SDM Ayush Sinha, ordering them to pick up sticks and just smash the heads of protesters. The viral video has created a political storm. The backlash was seen with arterial roadblocks in Punjab and Haryana, with farm leaders lashing out at Khattar government.
इस तरह की विचारधारा आरएसएस ने उनके दिमाग में घुसा दी है कि वो अधिकारी बन गए, आईएएस अधिकारी बन चुका है, उसके बाद में भी वो जो उनका एजेंडा है उससे बाहर नहीं निकल कर आ रहा।
Under pressure, the Karnal SDM finally tendered an apology. But the controversy appears to have left alliance partners BJP and JJP on opposite sides. Haryana Deputy CM and JJP Chief Dushyant Chautala assured action against the officer. However, the CM stood by the beleaguered SDM.
कि वहाँ सिर फोड़ने के बयान दिए गए एक अफसर द्वारा, वो उसके एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स जो एक आईएएस अफसर के होने चाहिए वो उसको मीट नहीं करते, और उसके खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई होगी समय अनुसार होगी।
सख्ती करना तो उनका काम है, लेकिन शब्दों का चयन संभल के करना चाहिए। और जब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को मेंटेन करने के लिए फोर्सेस काम करती हैं तो क्या क्या नहीं होता है, सारी सख्ती उपयोग की जाती है।
While the farm leaders at the Karnal Mahapanchayat demanded action against the SDM, the contradictory statements by both the CM and his deputy seems to have set stage for a fresh drama in the state.
The farmer unions have also demanded 2 lakh rupees each to those who were injured in the police action, besides a compensation of 25 lakh rupees. The farmer unions have threatened indefinite protest against Haryana government if their demands are not met by 7th of September. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.
The Deputy CM of Haryana, Dushyant Chautala, joins us right now. Dushyant ji, my first question is, what is the actual take of the Haryana government? The Chief Minister says choice of words was wrong, but the action was justified. Do you deem the action justified, sir?
Preeti ji, you need to understand there are two different stories. Action where it was taken was 15 kilometers away from where the wordings by an IAS officer was used. Wordings are not good. It is not up to the ethical standards of an IAS officer. We have sought a reply and there will be action taken once his reply has been received. The police action where it was taken, there was first attack by these agitators on the police with the kassis, and further the action was taken. And I think if somebody attacks you on your neck with the kassi, you won't wait and give him a garland. You will have to use force.
Are you now dithering from what you said earlier, Deputy CM, Mr. Chautala, because you had said action will be taken? Or are we waiting now for a proper explanation being given by the SDM and then go as per protocol?
No, it is. It is not up to his ethical standard under the oath which he takes to become an IAS officer, and for that, whatever action is required, we will take it.
Appreciate you joining us, Mr. Chautala. We're going to play out that interview, the longer version of it, through the course of the day. Thank you there. I want to cut across to our guests. I have with me R.P. Singh from the Bharatiya Janata Party. I'll be joined shortly by Adil Singh Bopuroy and of Congress and Master Shairaj, farm leader. I want to cut across to Mr. Singh first. Mr. Singh, the kind of language that the STM has used, at one end, we want to say that our communication channels are open with our farmers. On the other hand, how will communication channels will ever be open if incidents such as this, if language such as this continues to go viral?
Preeti, before I start the debate, very happy Yogmaya and Krishna Janmashtami to all your viewers. And now coming to the issue of the farmer agitation and what happened at the Karnal Toll Plaza, the Deputy CM has already in your interview said that this instruction was given 15 kilometers away, although wrong choice of word, and even the exceptions are wrong. I'm hopeful the Haryana government will do the needful take action, whatever it desired under the law. But that's not the issue. The issue is what anarchism will be allowed on the name of the farmer agitation. What happened in Abhor? Arun Narang's clothes were torn and he was beaten he was ripped apart and he was beaten by the farmer so-called agitating farmers. What happened with Sanjay Tandon in Chandigarh? His car was broken. He could save his life. What happened? Leave aside our party. What happened with the Congress member Parliament Ravneet Singh Bittu on 23rd of January at the Singhu border? It was the other channel correspondent who saved his life. Otherwise, we were lost. Other guy was Ajola, another member of Parliament. Other guy was Jeera. All three congressmen. Their lives were saved because of the media persons there. So, do we allow this anarchism to go on? But can we allow this to go on? And if they have, if they have all the right to protest, they have all the right to protest under the law. But they can't stop the highways.
Let's for once, as I bring in Adil Singh Bopuroy and Master Shairaj, I want to ask you one question. Let's for once say, yes, the farmers are anarchists. Let's say with what you're saying, they did all of that. Is an officer at the ranking of an SDM, is he also an anarchist to use language like break their heads, make sure nobody enters, will you hit them as hard as you can? Isn't he?
I said.
Go ahead, sir.
I said that his language was wrong, and then the due action should be taken by the state government. And then I've been told that he has been already issued a show cause notice, and then probably the state government will do the needful what has to be done. But if a person is moving toward you with a shovel, with kassi, the deputy CM that's called kassi, if he move toward you to hit you, what would be your response? You save your life, or you garland him, or you
So that conversation was recorded 1 hour before that action was taken. Having said that, I want to bring in Adil Singh Boparoy into this. Adil Singh Boparoy, the Haryana government saying that due diligence is being sought. We are going as per protocol. An explanation has been asked of the STM, and after that action will be taken, is what the Deputy CM said here a short while ago.
Preeti, the BJP government is treating the farmers worse than animals. You have a bureaucrat, an IS officer making a public exhortation, asking the policemen to crack and break the heads of farmers. This is not an idle exhortation. There are clear protocols and manuals which have to be followed for dispersal of crowd. And Mr. Dushyant Chautala's response to you is specious. The violence has taken place in the subdivision of this IS officer who's STM Karnal. It hasn't taken place in a different subdivision under a different STM, number 2. Number 3, the BJP has taken a clear position. They stand for the interest of the Ambanis and the Adanis versus the farmers. Over 500 farmers, Preeti, have lost their lives, but not a single word of empathy, not a single word of remorse from any BJP leader. This is how they treat the Annadatas of our country, that they beat them up mercilessly. You treat them like chattel. In fact, one farmer sustained injuries and consequentially died of a heart attack. That is also in public domain. So therefore, it is time that the Bharatiya Janata Party engages with the farmers. The farmers are struggling for their livelihood. One monsoon is gone, one winter is gone, one summer is gone. They've been protesting in inhumane conditions for the past 9 months. Narendra Modi recreated Jallianwala Bagh day before yesterday, 100 kilometers from New Delhi. And history will record this in bold letters. So therefore, the BJP should shed its penchant for catchy slogans and sermons on humanism. Okay. Please engage with our farmers. They are our Annadatas. They've fed this country.
Okay. All right. I want to bring in Mr. Singh. I know you want to come in for a rebuttal. Just want to introduce Master Shivraj. Master Shivraj, आप भारतीय किसान यूनियन से हैं. आज एक महापंचायत हुई थी. उसमें साफ बोला गया है जो SDM है वो डिसमिस हो. अगर SDM डिसमिस नहीं होता है फिर क्या?
नहीं, धन्यवाद आपके लिए. थैंक्स फॉर यू. मैं प्रेसिडेंट हूँ BKU लोक शक्ति से. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, सबसे पहले तो जिस अधिकारी ने तुगलकी फरमान किया है उसको वास्तव में जांच करके निलंबित करना चाहिए. ये तुगलकी फरमान है कि किसानों के सिर फूटने चाहिए, खून निकलना चाहिए. और मैं आपको सख्त आदेश दे रहा हूँ, उन पुलिसकर्मियों की जांच होनी चाहिए जिन्होंने निहत्थे किसानों पर लाठीचार्ज करने का आदेश दिया. ये जलियांवाले बाग की याद दिलाई है जिन्होंने निहत्थे किसानों को. एक किसान शहीद भी हो गया. जो किसान शहीद हुआ उसे कम से कम उस परिवार को 25 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा, एक सरकारी नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए. और जिन किसानों को जो चोटिल हुए हैं उनको 2-2 लाख रुपए कम से कम मुआवजा धनराशि देनी चाहिए. जो प्रदेश का मुखिया है, हरियाणा प्रदेश का मुखिया खट्टर लाल, उन खट्टर साहब को भी, मनोहर खट्टर लाल को भी जो है माफी मांगनी चाहिए और सारे जलियांवाले बाग के कांड की जिम्मेदारी अपने सिर पर लेनी चाहिए.
मास्टर शिवराज जी, मान लीजिए माफी नहीं मांगी गई और डिसमिस नहीं किया गया, तो फिर किसानों, जो किसान प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया रहेगी?
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, इस सरकार के जो भाजपा सरकार है उसके आज हाथ किसानों के खून से रंग चुके हैं. किसानों की शहादत हो चुकी है, किसान शहीद हो चुका है. जिन किसानों ने इन सरकारों को झोली भर भर के वोट दिया था, सारे पूरे देश में इनकी सत्ता हासिल कर दी, आज उन किसानों के खून से इन्होंने अपने हाथ रंगे हैं. ये खूनी सरकार हो गई है. इसको तुरंत महामहिम राष्ट्रपति महोदय को बर्खास्त करना चाहिए सरकार को.
RP Singh, you wanted to come in for a rebuttal. Go ahead, sir.
Well, see, no one is answering about the anarchism which happened at the Canal Toll Plaza. No one answered about that. No one. How can you stop a highway? I mean, they have blocked one highway. They want to block whole of the highway. How is it possible? How can any government allow anarchism to happen? One. But my friend from the Congress never answered on what happened with Arun Naurang and what is the action of the Congress government. What did Sunil Jakhar said on the swearing in of Sidhu? Captain Saab, धन्यवाद आपका. Thank you so much कि you have sent all the farmers to Haryana and Delhi border. It is a clear game plan. The game plan is known to everyone. I mean, people are speaking from the dais now, openly from the dais. It's a Congress game plan which is under which the farmers are being led. and that's leading to all of this anarchism. But I'm telling the record today, let's be very clear on this. No state government or no system will allow anarchism.
Okay.
Please, that's enough of anarchism. You can't.
Adil Singh Bopura, this is all politically fueled. That is what RP Singh is saying. Go ahead, come in for a rebuttal.
Let me make it easy for Singh Sahab. The Congress party stands with the farmers shoulder to shoulder, and he can draw whatever inference he wants to, because this is a struggle for our livelihood, for our dignity, and for our motherland. Point number 2. Point number 3, Preeti, look at the charade of an inquiry, the so-called inquiry which Dushyant Chautala was talking about. Can an inquiry be conducted when the officer continues to hold office and the jurisdiction over that area? If he indeed wanted an impartial inquiry, then he should have been transferred or at the least suspended, and then an inquiry should have been conducted. None of that has been done. So quite clearly, the only deduction which any objective person can draw is that he has the support of the highest echelons of the BJP. The BJP is replicating Narendra Modi and Amit Shah's model across the country. But they forget that this is the land of Punjab and Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. This is the land which sends its children to the borders to guard this country.
All right, I want to go back to...
We are sadly mistaken. We will not cow down. This is a struggle for our
I want to go back to Master Shivraj. Master Shivraj जी, मैं फिर वही सवाल कहूंगी, अगर SDM को दरखास्त नहीं किया जाता है, एक आपको अपॉलॉजी जो आप मांग रहे हैं, माफी मांग रहे हैं, नहीं मिलती है, तो कोई गेम प्लान है फार्मर्स का? क्या करेंगे?
नहीं, जिस किसान ने इस सरकार को बनाया है वही किसान इस सरकार को सीट से उतारने का काम करेगा। देखो मेरी बात सुनो, रावण ने भी साधु संतों के साथ अत्याचार किए थे, हिरण्याकश ने साधु संतों के साथ अत्याचार किए थे, कंस ने साधु संतों के साथ अत्याचार किए थे। देश में जो सबसे बड़ा साधु संत है, जो सबसे बड़ी तपस्या करता है, वो देश का किसान है। किसान सर्दी गर्मी बरसात तपस्या करता है और पूरे देश का पेट भरता है, पेट से पट्टी बांध के कमाता है। आज उस अन्नदाता का इन्होंने सिर फोड़ा है, अन्नदाता को लाठियों से शहीद किया है, अन्नदाता के खून से इन्होंने हाथ रखे।
आरपी सिंह कुछ बोल रहे थे, जल्दी बोल दीजिए, शो एंड करना है सर।
एक छोटा मास्टर शिवराज जी, आपका बयान याद करो, 26 जनवरी बाद आपका क्या बयान था, जब वहां से पुलिस वाले धकेल कर नाले में गिरे थे और 300 से ज्यादा पुलिस वाले घेर कर आए, आपने मार कर।
You know this only the fact is this will only now this only shows the kind of trust deficit that there is between the farmers at one end and the government on the other. Appreciate all three gentlemen for joining us. Thank you there. We're going to keep a keen eye. What the Haryana government has promised viewers is they've asked for an explanation. Will action be taken at the back of the explanation against the STM who used words like break the heads of the farmers? We don't quite know, but we're going to keep a keen eye. Up next is Rahul Kanwar.